You walk a queen, you always keep it G for me, for me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little hair video and also to like a makeup video as well. It's like a little get ready with me, I guess you can say. So I'm going to be doing my makeup and then I'm going to be giving you guys details on my hair. That's from Beauty Forever. No, this video is not sponsored, but I wish it was. I need some sponsored videos on this channel. Okay, it's going to happen, but we are also on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you are into beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content with a splash of DIY hair content and just like some random stuff too, then feel free to subscribe as well. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new content. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm just going to be doing like some super simple makeup. Okay, so before I even do my makeup, I was looking in my mirror and I need to shave my face. So I'm gonna show y'all how I shave my face real quick. I was just gonna do my like mustache area. I tried to wax this area. I had bought a wax kit from off of Amazon. I never waxed myself before, and for some reason I had like these little bumps up like on my lip. I was like, no, I'm just about to go back to shaving. I can't. So I'm gonna use some like vitamin E oil, and of course I have my like eyebrow razor. This is what I always use to like do my eyebrows, to like shave my mustache, and I like to like shave right here like my sideburns and stuff. I haven't did that in a while, so I'm about to do it right now.
I got one virtual, got one in that dead, the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all
I didn't realize I had that much hair on my face, but I haven't shaved my face in a while, so it was fine. So I just like to take a paper towel and just wipe off the oil and like the remaining hair. It's the Nivea cream that I'm using. I'm being extra today with foundation. Usually I just go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte and poreless. I'm in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm just gonna mix this together. I used to do this all the time, like mix the two of these together, but I haven't done it in a while, so I'm gonna do it today. But this is 13 Chestnuts. This by itself will be like way too light for me, but I'm gonna mix the two and just put that on real quick. Oh, I forgot to prime. Oh my god. So usually I don't prime at all. It's like the Nivea cream is basically my primer, but I have been using the e.l.f. poreless what is it, yeah, poreless putty primer, and I usually just put it like on my nose area and then like my cheeks. That's pretty much it. Like I don't put it all over my face.
see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about.
For concealer today, I'm going to use the Ordinary. This is the skincare brand. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, the Ordinary concealer. It's their concealer, the high coverage formula. This one is in the shade Deep Neutral, so it's like 3.2N Deep Neutral. They do have a good shade range as well, but I think I got this from Ulta, but it was like $5, which I feel like was not bad at all. And I already have like some of their skincare stuff too, so yeah, I'm gonna use this as concealer today, and I'm gonna apply it with a paintbrush. I ordered a U-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. I've heard of the company before, and I actually had their website like on my home screen, but I just never ordered from there until recently. So I ordered a U-part wig from there. It's an 18-inch. The leave out part is 2x4, but it came in a natural color, which is like it's almost like a brown type of color, but I dyed it jet black yesterday. I just used the Dark and Lovely jet black dye, and I also dyed my hair. I couldn't find a jet black. They only had one box of the jet black left, so I did use a natural black for the top part of my hair. But for the most part, the U-part wig is jet black, which I really love, and it blends in really good with my natural hair as well. So I don't have that much hair left out. If you guys want to see like a tutorial on like how I apply my U-part wig on my like short hair, because I did not braid it down at all, so like none of my hair is braided underneath this wig. So if you want to see a tutorial on that, then leave a comment below. But I really like this wig, and it does not have the clips, which I love, because the other U-part wig that I had, I was going to do a review on that one. It's from Amazon that I found, but that one had clips and it just hurt. Like, I do not like clips on U-part wigs. This one only has the combs, which is perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna switch out my concealer. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Font. I should have just used this one first, but I didn't like the way the other one was applying. So more about the hair. So I ordered this wig. I ordered it Wednesday, which was the 20th. And it came yesterday, which yesterday was the 25th. Today's the 26th currently. So yeah, and it came like in the morning time too, which I was like super surprised about. I feel like the shipping was pretty fast, and I was actually contacting them, asking them about my tracking number just so I can know like when it was gonna be coming, because I was ready to do my hair, but it actually came that same day that they had reached out to me. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it out my concealer using my beauty sponge, but I just want to show you guys this little case that I got from my beauty sponge. It's so cute. It's like a strawberry. I have another one too. It's like a pineapple one, but I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's so cute, like just to put your beauty blender in, but it's like for traveling, but I just use it all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna blend this out using my beauty sponge that isn't damp. You never want to use a dry beauty sponge, like never. Don't do that.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
To set my concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 30 medium deep. I love this powder to set my concealer, so that's what we about to do. Sometimes I set it using my sponge, but today I'm just using this little brush right here.
We'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with...
I kind of forgot to do my eyebrows, but usually I take my concealer and go underneath my eyebrows. They are like freshly shaped. Well, the bottom part right here is like kind of freshly shaped. I think I did them the other day. I can't remember. But I like to take the concealer and go underneath my brow. Today I'm actually going to fill in my eyebrow just a little bit, because I just feel like it's plus with my hair and stuff, it's just bringing the whole look together. So I am going to fill in my brows just a little bit. I'm just using a dark brown. I believe this is like an eyeliner. Yeah, it's like a dark brown eyeliner, but I'm using it to fill in my brows. But I like to focus more so like on the tail end of my brows, just to extend it. Okay, so next is a bronzer, which is my favorite part. So of course I'm using Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty. I want to get another shade, but this is the one that I have currently. And yeah, I'm about to I'm gonna start with my cheeks, and I kind of just like stipple it in, basically, like nothing too crazy. Next, I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's highlighter. This one is in, so the shade I'm using is Hustle Baby. I'm just gonna put this like on my nose. I'm not gonna highlight my whole face. Actually, I might. I don't know. Like, life is too short not to just go all out. So I might just, yeah, let's just go for it. Let's just highlight our face, okay? I kind of want to add some blush, but I'm not really sure because it's supposed to be like super simple, so I don't know. But let's do the lips real quick. I'm going to use a brown lip liner today. This one is from a brand. It's called Vintage Vanity Cosmetics. I'll try to leave like their Instagram in the description box. It's like a local brand to me, but they do accept online orders, so you can get their get this lip liner. They have other things as well, but this is like the best lip liner that I've had like in a long time. It's even better than like my NYX brown lip liner. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, that was pretty much the end of the makeup look. That was like super simple. That's like pretty much what I do when I want to wear some makeup, but not, you know, being extra. But I'm going to fix my leave out. I'm gonna show you guys like what I do to fix my leave out when I do wear a U-part wig. I put Got To Be, like the black Got To Be glue on my edges because my hair, like, I'm somewhat relaxed. I got a lot of new growth, and of course it's gonna be curly, so my edges don't be staying down like they supposed to be doing. So I do like to use the black Got To Be like the Got To Be glue gel in the black bottle. That's like really my go-to gel when I want to like keep the edges down. That one don't be playing. Okay, so that's what I put yesterday on my hair because I didn't want my edges to be looking all crazy. I need to fix this side. I'll do it like in a few minutes. But I bought a whole pack of toothbrushes just to do my edges, and also to like do like details to my hair or whatever. I'm trying to wait until the dye kind of like lifts up off of my scalp, because like right now you can see where the middle part right here, it kind of got stained from like yesterday, because I just dyed this part of my hair yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna take the Got To Be glue, this freeze spray. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spray my toothbrush with it, not directly on the hair, because like this stuff right here, it be having your hair all white, and I don't feel like re-washing my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this. And then I just go right onto my leave out, because I have like flyaways. So that's what I like to do to get rid of the flyaways. You can also do like the paper towel method too, like spray some on a paper towel and then like do like this to your hair. I got like one more back there. Oh, and I changed into this top from Shein. I got it like last year, I believe. No, actually it was this year. What am I talking about? Yeah, I got this shirt last year from Shein, but I love this shirt. It's like classy, like it's giving business casual, but like not basic. So I really like this shirt. I don't wear it that often, but yeah, I just felt like it would fit the whole look for today. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Feel free to leave a comment below. Give me some video suggestions as well on what you guys would like to see. I feel like most of my subscribers came from my iPhone unboxing, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I feel like most of my subscribers came from there. I do plan on doing like a what's on my iPhone type of video. I might do that in a few minutes actually, because I'm in like the filming mood. I already did my makeup, so now I need to be productive basically. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
The owners do, a boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.